In the stark emptiness of the family garden, young Mohammed Hassan's innocent eyes reflect a world devoid of color. With each small kick, the dry soil whispers a tale of unfulfilled dreams, mirroring the disappointment etched on his tender face. Mira watches her brother, her heart echoing his sorrow. "Hussein, what's wrong?" His voice tinged with the melancholy of a lost spring, Hussein laments. "No flowers, Mirha. No flowers this year." Inside the mosque, the family gathers for Jummah prayers, a moment of serene unity. During the prayer, Hussein raises his small hands, his eyes tightly shut in heartfelt devotion. "Ya Allah, give us flowers in our garden, Ameen," Hussein whispers, his voice filled with innocent hope. The worshippers respond in unison. "Ameen." The family garden awakens in a riot of color, bursting with flowers of every kind, their fragrance a sweet symphony in the morning air. Mirha and Hussein rush into the garden, their faces radiant with pure, unbridled joy. Hussein giggles with delight, his small feet dancing among the blossoms. Mirha's eyes widen at the sight. She exclaims, "Flowers, flowers, Hussein. Allah answered your prayer." Their parents watch from the porch, their hearts overflowing with gratitude and wonder at the miracle unfolding before them. The mother says softly, "Allah listens to every heart, especially the hearts of children."
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.